So you think say me go eat up this whole heap of fried dumpling and get fat? Oh no. Summer body loading in full effect. I told myself this year I'm choosing a softer and healthier lifestyle. So guess what? I bought myself a walking pad. I didn't want anything too intense or too overwhelming. I just needed something simple because I know me. If it's too much, I won't be doing it and I won't be complying with this routine and I won't be disciplined. I took up myself one time to sign up for a gym membership and I can count on one finger how many times I showed up for that gym membership. So before I even get back into gym membership, I'm starting it simple. No lie, I was a little bit nervous at first, but once I started walking, I really feel good. No pressure, no gym anxiety, just me moving my body at my own pace. And this is what my health journey looks like right now. Nothing extreme, just small consistent steps. We are not doing hard over here with life over 40. We are doing small consistent steps which are sustainable. Do you think you would enjoy this walking pad? Because I'm enjoying it so far. And no lies, I've been consistent doing minimum between 15 to 30 minutes each day. So let me know if you'll be trying this out and what is one healthier lifestyle routine or habit you have acquired since 2026. Let me know in the comments. Bye.